There are three things that Texans love: winning, nice people, and the State Fair of Texas.
Shining bright, and the day is looking fine. I feel the wind blowing through my hair, a perfect time to unwind. No need to rush, no need to worry. Gonna play all day, no hurry. Take my to-do list and put it in the trash can, 'cause I got a better plan.